Did you say it was this way, Skylar? Oh, crap.
Yeah, Antoine, it's this way. Where'd you go? Probably get captured again. That one probably got captured again. What am I supposed to do? Oh, what's that, my homie? Well, okay. What is this place? Okay, is Antoine here? Well, then, who are you? Well, can I see him? Well, I'm afraid I have to subdue you. Hey, Antoine, how you doing? There's tape on your mouth, I know. What? Sorry, I don't speak Chinese. Can you speak English? There's tape on your mouth. Should I rip it off? Oh. Ew, hair came off.
What's wrong with you?
He said rip it off.
No, I said yes, and then he said no. Come on, let's get out of here.
Do I have to?
Remember where your gum was?
Yeah, it's over like...
Then let's go. You gotta get captured again. Took you long enough.
Oh, Reggie. Hold on, Antoine. I need to go take a little business. Hey. Hey. You awake? Oh, sorry. Where'd you get those amazing signs from?
I don't know.